This is the Wakefield private hospital in Newtown, and it's time for a lift tour. Now, they're actually about to start building a brand new Wakefield hospital here, and sadly the old one that we're about to see is going to be demolished when that one opens because it's considered too much of an earthquake risk. Anyway, let's start off in the main block, which has 3 stories. I'm actually going to start down near where all of the meeting and staff rooms are, and this lift is actually a modern Otis Gen 2. I did not know that this lift was even here. Okay, weird, it's got buttons for 1 and 2. Then 2 and 3. Let's press the 3 button again now. Oh. It's only an indicator on this side. Capacity. And now to the next lift, which is in the main corridor. This is an old Otis lift that has been modernised by a generic company called Ampco. This is an old Otis lift at Wakefield Hospital. It's been modernised by Ampco, which is a generic company. Here we are at 1. Let's go back to 3. I think it is traction, but it's slow, but I think it is actually a traction lift. Maximum load, 6 persons. Doesn't say what the kilograms are. Here we are at 3. That's it. And now to the next lift, which is just up from the last one. And this lift is an Ampco generic lift. Last time I came here, I didn't actually film the lift, but these buttons lit up. And I'm annoyed because it looks like they're not working. I'm not sure if this is a modernised lift. I think this is actually a generic lift. Yeah, it is. It's a generic lift. It's a hydraulic. Weird, slightly weird. Yes, that 3 button lights up. Dewhurst barrel-shaped fixtures. Can't remember the number, US 91 I think, or is it 89? But these buttons are quite rare in New Zealand, so very pleased to be able to see these buttons. Rare button. And now to the 4th and final lift, which is in the other wing of this hospital, which is a small 4-storey building, which mainly just has some offices and minor clinics. The lift in this building is an old Otis lift modernised by Ampco. Why that's lit up, I don't know. This is an old Otis. Interesting shape, again modernised by Ampco. It is a traction. We're going to stop. Yep, shit, there might be people getting in. If there is, I'll cut. Okay, I had to cut there because some people got in, and I know that they're not that keen on photography around here, so I cut the camera just in case it was the staff, but it's an old distraction. Clearly the logic has been set up so that if you press the call button, it lights up the button inside the lift as well. We'll just go back to 3 because that's where the exit is. So, yep, it's an old Otis. There's your capacity. Lift 6? What? There's only 4 lifts here, I think. There's probably some service ones that we don't know about.